In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PowerPoint audio file issues. If your audio won't play, sounds distorted, or randomly stops, don't worry, these quick checks usually solve it. First, make sure your audio file is in a format PowerPoint handles well. PowerPoint works best with MP3 or WAV, and MP3 is the safest bet for compatibility and smaller file sizes. Check the file you're using. If it's something like M4A or WMA, convert it to MP3. Open your browser and go to cloudconvert.com. Upload your audio file. Choose MP3 as the output format and start the conversion. When it's done, download the new MP3. Now switch back to PowerPoint and replace the old audio with the new one. Go to Insert, select Audio, then choose Audio on my PC, and pick the MP3 you just downloaded. This single change fixes most playback problems because it removes format conflicts behind the scenes. Next, confirm the volume settings. It sounds simple, but it's easy to miss. Click the audio icon on your slide, go to the Playback tab, and set the volume to medium or high. Make sure it isn't set to low or mute, then check your computer's system volume as well. On Windows, click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner. On a Mac, use the volume controls in the top menu bar. A quick adjustment here can make your audio come through clearly. After that, update PowerPoint to avoid glitches caused by older versions. In PowerPoint, click File, then Account, select Update Options, and choose Update Now. Let the update complete, then restart PowerPoint. Keeping the app current ensures better compatibility with modern audio codecs and fixes known bugs. Finally, test your audio in slideshow mode, not just in the editing view. Go to the Slideshow tab and choose from Current Slide. This launches full screen presentation mode, which uses the proper playback engine. Press play on the audio icon or trigger it as intended, and confirm it sounds right from start to finish. Many users find that audio behaves correctly only in slideshow mode, so this is a key sanity check. Quick recap before we wrap up. Convert your audio to MP3, verify both the playback tab volume and your system volume, update PowerPoint, and test the audio in slideshow mode. That's it. If this helped you fix your PowerPoint audio, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear, practical PowerPoint tips and tutorials.